Hello there! Welcome to Introduction to Electronics, where you would learn the basics of electronics and electricity, and you would understand how the surrounding works. My name is Mahdi-Hassan and I will be leading you through the course. I have graduated from Queen Mary University of London with a degree in electrical and electronics engineering, and I have co-founded a robotics company where I design and build simple educational robots for people with no prior experience. We designed this course for anyone seeking to learn robotics and create simple systems out of it. By the end of the course, you will be able to analyze, design and build your first electronic systems and learn the strategies of engineers in the real world. We will be teaching you the methods that are taught in the reputed universities in United Kingdom and United States and around the world. And the method is going to give you predictably good results, and you will learn the basics within a very short time in less than 2 days. This method is great for someone with no prior experience in electronics. Not only we will cover the details, but we'll also provide resources for you for free. Together, we will go through the entire process step by step. No requirements, we only ask you come open-minded and ready to learn. The ideal student for this course would be someone who wants to be an electronics engineer or who is an enthusiast who wants to build their own system by themselves. Feel free to take a look through the description, and we look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you, guys.